Hello everyone, this is Rupal Garg and two of my teammates are Shubham Kumar and Pulkit Bindal. In this video, we will be demonstrating one of our project charging lane for electric vehicle. Electric vehicle is the future in the upcoming years. As the name suggests, electric vehicle is the type of vehicle that runs on an electric motor rather than petrol and diesel. But the main constraint in the use of electric vehicle is the charging. Nowadays, most common way to charge the electric vehicle is standstill charging or a charging station. But it takes a lot of time and also the vehicle is useless in between the charging procedure. So we have come up with an idea of special lane of charging vehicle which will be explained by my other team member Shubham.
In this project, we have explained an effective methodology to recharge the battery of EV. For this, we have used the analogy of electric train, where an overhead high-tension cable is established above the railway track and a pantograph connects the train from the high-tension cable and supplies required power to drive the locomotive. Similarly, in this method of charging, a pantograph integrated with advanced communication and monitoring system is to be designed and fitted above the rooftop of EV. As the name of the project suggests, special charging lane for EV, the vehicle have to follow a special lane on road during the charging process. We have explained the whole process by the help of stepwise flowchart and an animation. So there will be an application that is to be installed in the driver's smartphone which indicates the nearest charging station. They have to take a token. As soon as the token is collected, some details such as model number, battery status and status of charge of battery can be accessed by the charging stations. A person with all the required equipments will attach the pantograph up top the EV and the EV starts charging as it moves further on the special lane that connects the high tension cable from one charging station to another. During this process, the vehicle will recharge as well as will be driven by the power supplied from high voltage cable through the pantograph. At charging station 2, where the lane ends, all attached components are detached and vehicle can move to normal lane of highway.
As my colleague has given an idea regarding the project, it's time to add some benefits as an abridgment in the project. Not much of the time will be spent while charging the electric vehicle. Along with this, the electric vehicle will definitely cover more distance during its charging time. The cool part is that this project includes advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Internet of Things. So we hope if this project is implemented on ground, neither will people be advanced but also a bright future will be there. Thanks for watching.